Hi, good afternoon. You're watching Live Wire and I'm Swati Joshi. Times Now investigation into the drug angle linked to Sushant's death case has revealed that Riya and Shoaib Chakrabarti are only the tip of the iceberg. In a sensational insider admission, the father of one of the drug suppliers, Zaid, has confirmed another peddler, Fayaz Ahmed, and big names are part of the drug cartel.
Zaid Milakha is Sir, Times Now, sir.
Times Now?
Yeah.
He's gone out of Bombay.
He's out of Bombay, sir.
He's gone to Himalayan.
Sir, the NCP has told us that his involvement is coming in the drugs racket with Shoaib Chakrabarti.
I don't have any idea. Because he's told us that he's gone for a party.
He's gone for a party, sir. Then what does he do, sir? He's a student?
He's got a small kitchen.
Like a where?
Yeah, Bangalore.
You are his father, sir?
Yeah, that's right.
So he's not at home, sir. NCP is saying that he has his involvement in drugs and also.
It is a fake thing that someone has propagated his name. Come. As the meal comes today.
Did you give us
You are not supposed to. You have some bottles?
No, nothing, sir.
What's your good name?
Siddhant.
And you?
Sir, we just want to ascertain certain facts, sir. NCP is saying that he was into that, he was supplying it to Shoaib Chakrabarti.
Actually, what has happened? Come sit.
Yeah.
I'll just tell you in short. There's some guy called Abbas.
Yeah.
Who's been arrested.
Yeah.
That guy has had some trouble with my son earlier 2-3 years ago.
Okay.
So he's taken out all his grudge on this thing. Because he had put a name on my elder son also.
Okay.
Yeah, but my elder son is in sleep.
What's your elder son?
Rahil.
Rahil.
I'm also with the film world, so I know these things.
I didn't know, sir.
Say
He is not.
clarification on camera for us. It's really good for
Yeah,
us.
sir, if you can speak on camera.
From your angle,
No, I cannot speak anything because still the issue is in this. Like today will be, I suppose, they picked him up.
Yeah.
And he will come back today because everything is. But yesterday there was a search of the house also. They found the full very cupboards and all. I said, go ahead, boss. I don't
Did they find anything?
No, nothing. They searched his car, they searched his premises, office premises. What has happened? This guy is involved with Sushant Singh, which is Abbas. There's another big shot who's some Mr. Karan. So that all is on the that is a big. They want to catch the big fish, basically.
So are you going, sir?
Yeah, I'll be going to.
And before we move on to angle number 2, let's take some calls on broadcast. Our viewer Shivam is joining us from Dehradun. Shivam, go ahead.
हेलो
जी, शिवम बोलिए.
जी मैम मुझे कुछ चीज रखनी है मैम. और मैम मुझे ये पूछना है मैम कि ये जो केस में चल रहा है मैम, ये वैसे तो ये विद्या बालन ट्वीट करती हैं कि रिया पे मीडिया ट्रायल हो रहा है, बट वो तब नहीं बोलती जब रिया, जो अब इंसान दुनिया में भी नहीं है, उसके बारे में इतना उल्टा सीधा बोला जा रहा है ड्रग को लेकर. वो तब कुछ नहीं बोलते हैं. वो जब संजय राउत उल्टे सीधे बयान देते हैं उनके परिवार को लेकर, तब कुछ नहीं बोलते हैं. दूसरी शादी थी, ऐसी थी वैसी थी, तब क्यों नहीं सहानुभूति दिखाते ये लोग?
जाहिर तौर पर, लेकिन सबकी अपनी अपनी राय है. आप उसको सही और गलत कह सकते हैं. शुक्रिया आपका शिवम. सविता इज जॉइनिंग अस फ्रॉम डोंबिवली नाउ. सविता, गो अहेड.
I've been watching this, that names of big people from Bollywood will be involved, but is it possible to really convict them? One, because not to go too far, person like Sanjay Dutt, who was under Mokaka, was released. How do we expect that these big names will ever be convicted?
No, he was convicted. Sanjay Dutt was convicted. वो जेल गए थे. वो जी, उनको सजा काटनी पड़ी थी. As far as big names are concerned, if the agencies find enough evidence against them that can be proven in a court of law, then obviously कोई कानून से बच नहीं सकता. Thank you very much, Savita, for joining us. Gopal is now joining us from Bengaluru. Go ahead, sir. Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon, madam. I'm calling from Bangalore, and my name is Gopal Bhatia. I'm impressed with the names you have revealed so far and the progress you have made. You are the only channel which has taken over everybody else in this research. Although you came a little late, you are way ahead of everybody. I hope you succeed. in exposing all the names and hope these people will be punished shortly.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for following our coverage. Please keep watching Times Now. Let's now take a look at angle number 2 before we speak to more callers. And this angle number 2, in fact, is the clearest drug link which has emerged to the siblings Ria and Shawik and their alleged peddler Fayaz. This man, believed to be Bollywood's main drug peddler, was yesterday arrested red-handed in Goa with a drug consignment. Times Now tracked down the address the consignment was headed towards in Goa. Our reporter Imran Khan gets us this explosive, candid admission of high-profile Mumbai names linked to the drug nexus.
कितने दिन से काम करता था कोई
ये यहाँ पे
हाँ
भाई कितना एक महीना नहीं हुआ 15-20 दिन ऐसे हुआ लगता है।
अच्छा फिर 15 दिन पहले काम किया बस
हाँ हाँ अब तो हो रहा है रेडी
सिर्फ 15 दिन काम किया
15 दिन ऐसे कुछ काम किया हो जाता है
उतना ही उसके बाद मुंबई चला गया
मुंबई में फिर किधर किधर काम किया होगा वहाँ नेहरू इधर आया फिर
तो फिर पैसे बाकी थे मेरे उसके पैसे देना था वो मेरे को
आपको देने का था
हाँ
अभी वो नहीं देगा चला गया वो इधर बंद जेल में अभी
सिर्फ 15 दिन पहले काम किया क्या
हाँ इधर 15 दिन पहले था
हाँ
कुछ ये के नाम से कोई ड्रग्स वगैरह सप्लाई आज से चला था इधर मालूम पड़ा ना उनको आया सुबह आके ले गया उनके पास
यहाँ से अरेस्ट किया क्या
हेलो हाँ जो प्राइस वगैरह मैंने उसके पास कैश नहीं है मोबाइल पे करेंगे ठीक है
और
वो गए किधर अभी बीजेपी है वो
भैया से कितने बजे पकड़ा
मेरे को नहीं मालूम
क्या नाम उनका अंदर
भीम
भीम
वहाँ पे ऑर्डर मार रहा है बीजी में
अभीम 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 कितने बजे लेके गया उसको
वो सवेरे है नहीं ठीक है आप किधर से
मैं यहीं लोकल से पैसे देना था उससे पूछ रहा हूँ
आप उससे लेने का था या उसके देने का
उसे लेना था मेरे को देने
और वो तो अभी गया
हाँ
कितना लेने देने का था
मेरे को 5,000 देने का था सिर्फ 15 दिन काम किया क्या वो
15-20 दिन हो गया
अच्छा आपको कब अभी सुबह में पकड़ के लेके पुलिस हाँ इधर ये होटल में देखो हाँ अच्छा अभी हाँ ठीक है मैं चले आता हूँ अभी कि तो फिर 15 दिन बोला आपने काम कर रहे फिर बोल रहे 4 साल से वो आ रहा था यहाँ पे
अरे वो गलत से है वो पहले भी था होगा सही इधर वो
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा
वो मुझे मान लो मेरा भी 3 ही महीने चल रहा है
4 साल से ड्रग्स वही ला रहा था
हाँ किसको पता है
किसको सप्लाई कर रहा था
किसको सप्लाई कर रहा था बेचने का ना क्या पता है
ओनर कौन है सोनू है क्या लोगों का हाँ ठीक है
Meanwhile, Sushant Singh Rajput's family is set to hold a press briefing at 7 p.m. We have a reaction coming in from the legal team. Listen in.
So there seems to be some kind of rumors which have been circulating of late, and there's some allegations which have been made out, and for that very reason there is a press conference, as you've already know and may have mentioned, that which will be held today at 7 p.m, which will be held by the senior counsel. I'm sure he'll answer all those allegations or all those unverified rumors are put to rest.
Kajal and Vajiullah are joining us on the broadcast now. Let's first go across to Kajal, our Mumbai bureau chief. Kajal, this drug angle is in fact getting bigger now. More and more individuals coming under the scanner of the agencies as the drug peddlers are being interrogated. They are now taking names.
Yes, they are suggesting that there could be big people in the city of Mumbai involved, and it will only depend on the investigation and further people who are arrested based on these admissions. that the NCB will be able to file some sort of case and take the investigation forward to see who from which walks of life in Mumbai are involved in this cartel, how deep is the cartel, how many people are involved, what is the financial aspect of this cartel. All these things need to be investigated. The NCB, remember, has just begun its investigations. 3 people arrested, but yes, many more names expected to come out.
Right. Wajihullah, in fact, people who were telling us that Fayaz has been arrested by NCB also suggest that he was in this line for 4 years. They say that there are high-profile names that are involved, something that other drug peddlers have also spoken about a entire nexus, an entire racket that was being run in Bandra, and there were individuals who used to supply drugs to Bollywood. Now the NCB also has come into action, is intensifying its crackdown, and the NCB's focus is not just on the individuals who consumed it, but on the individuals who were running the entire racket, and that is beyond the Maximum City and the Bollywood itself.
Well, Swati, one thing is evident that people knew about the fact that the entire nexus of drug that is there in Bollywood. But now that it is coming out is something that is very important, because the NCB has its eye on everybody right now. It's a small message of Rhea Chakrabarti and between Samuel Miranda and others have now opened an entire Pandora's box of how drug mafia exists in Bollywood. And we've also done a few stings and we've shown how this entire city is inundated with it, how people are distributing areas and how the entire nexus work, how many people are involved in it, who all are buying it, and it's not just the people who are on a bigger position. There are people at ground level also who are in this, and how they are involved in it, and how it's spoiling the entire city. So this is something that is very big, and how the NCB has done raids across the city and have arrested people. They will be produced in front of the court also. And from what we've heard is the brother of Rhea Chakrabarti, his name is also coming at the places. Now it remains to be seen his involvement in this entire thing, and this will only come out clear after the CBI gives us a clearer picture on what happened.
Right. Vajihullah and Kajal, stay on with us. We are now joined by some more viewers on the broadcast. Piyush is joining us from Bengaluru. Good afternoon, Piyush. What are your thoughts? Tell me.
हेलो मैम, पहली बात तो मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि आप लोग बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, सीरियसली
शुक्रिया।
बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, और मतलब आप लोग बस स्टिक रहो इस फैक्ट से। और मैं सेकंड थिंग आई जस्ट वांटेड टू से दैट आई एम 28 इयर्स ओल्ड, और आज तक मैंने नहीं देखा बिना किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बैकिंग के इतना बड़ा मूवमेंट। लाइक किसी ने किसी को बुलाया नहीं, पब्लिक खुद आई है और आप लोग उनको लीड कर रहे हो, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। और मैम मैं होप करता हूँ कि इसमें जजमेंट आएगा और बहुत अच्छा आएगा, जस्टिस मिलेगा, जिससे कि हम सब लोगों की होप बनी रहेगी, और ये बहुत जरूरी है।
बहुत सारे लोग इस वक्त इस कैंपेन से जुड़ गए हैं, बहुत सारे लोग यही कह रहे हैं और चाहते हैं कि जल्द से जल्द न्याय हो। शुक्रिया आपका पीयूष। रजत इज जॉइनिंग अस फ्रॉम फैजाबाद नाउ। रजत, इफ यू कैन हियर मी, प्लीज गो अहेड। रजत, क्या आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं? Okay, I believe we are not able to connect with Rajat. Deepa is calling us from Pune at this point in time. Yes, Deepa, good afternoon. Go ahead.
Hello, ma'am.
Go ahead, please.
Hello.
जी, मैं आपको सुन पा रही हूँ, बताइए।
जी मैम, आवाज आ रही है मेरी आपको?
जी, बोलिए।
हाँ मैम, मैं कहना चाह रहा था कि सबसे पहले तो थैंक यू मैम कि आप लोग हमारी आवाज को अपने चैनल पे ला रहे हैं, और 9th of July से 10th of July से जो भी ये स्टार्ट हुआ है उसके लिए 2 से 4 लोग जो है लगातार इसमें कंटिन्यू हम लोग जो है लगे हुए थे ट्विटर पे, और उसको आप लोग सामने लाए, सीबीआई को जो है केस चला गया। लेकिन उसके बाद ये जो ड्रग का एंगल सामने आया है, तो मर्डर एंगल जो है मैम कुछ हटता हुआ नजर आ रहा है।
देखिए, सीबीआई अपना इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है। अब एजेंसीज के इन्वेस्टिगेशन पे इस स्टेज पर हम कुछ कह नहीं सकते, क्योंकि क्या उनको क्लू मिला है, क्या एविडेंस उनको मिला है, जो इंटरोगेशन चल रहा है उसमें क्या उनको लीड मिल रही है, ये तो अभी कॉन्फिडेंशियल इशू है जो कि सीबीआई ऑफिसर्स को ही पता है। लेकिन नए नए एंगल आ रहे हैं, and I'm sure all the agencies are looking into the aspects of the cases that are emerging. Thank you very much, Deepa. Asta is joining us from Jammu now. Go ahead, Asta. Asta, if you can hear me, tell us.
So as far as this drug cartel is concerned, being a youth, we know a middle class person without any backing up doesn't get this kind of support from police or like people in the ministry. So there are very high like percent or chances कि इसमें बहुत high profile लोग involved हो, and we youth of India really wants to get this kind of dirt finished from the Bollywood industry because this has really spoiled up the society and everything. And could
All
not
right,
say
Asta, thank you very much. Thank you for calling us. We also have Ram, another viewer, joining us from Pune. Ram, go ahead. Good evening.
Good evening. Thank you so much. First of all, congratulations, Times Now, for doing the kind of work that you've been doing. I would just say that it's kind of a bit disheartening to actually see this case now taking a turn towards the drug cartel thing. Of course, we can't deny the fact that it is there, it is a menace. But then the drug angle is a part of it. I'm
Absolutely.
not saying that it doesn't exist, but then it should not be used as a diversion to actually deviate from the topic as to what is
Yes,
the...
you know, Ram, that is one confusion that people do have. But the CBI is looking into whether suicide or murder based upon the complaint which was filed by the Bihar police. The NCB is looking into the drug angle, and then you have the ED looking into the financial angle. So all the three agencies are working, and they are looking into all the aspects related to the case. But thank you very much to all our viewers, in fact, for calling us up. We're moving